become more powerful. So many problems in the life, just try this. Okay, human being in this world, because this world is running like anything with a big competition, right? Ganam Ganapati Om Namah Shumadeva. Hi everyone, this is Agori Tantrik Amarnath Kal Rudranath Kal Bhairav Akshanand Brahmastra Guruji. I'm here to tell you about a spell of Maha Ganapati. He is the god who is been there very powerful as well as very strong for attraction. You can attract everyone. You can attract anyone, any single individual person, and you can get the planets become cool against you if the planets are in the wrong place in your horoscope, and if you are having so many problems in the life, just try this. Okay, now let us start the video completely. Watch this video so that you will never skip any small information, and if you don't understand it once, please repeatedly watch this video and try to become more powerful human being in this world, because this world is running like anything with a big competition, right? Yeah. Before starting this video, we have a request to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share my videos, as well as give a comment what you are thinking about this. Okay? Yeah. And if you have got any results, definitely you have to comment, and that will make me encourage, and I'll give you more information in my channel. This channel is all about spiritual guidance. Thank you. Let's start. There is this spell, Lord Vinayaka, Mahaganapati. He has thousands of names. In that, Mahaganapati we call as a mainly name. Okay, this spell is most powerful spell, and if you want to get use of this spell, first you have to energize this spell. How to energize? This spell has to be started only when the solar or lunar eclipse occurs. Okay, so that when we take a lens in the sunlight and we focus on in a balanced position, we can get the fire out of the lens, right? Have you tried ever? Just go and try. You can get the fire from the sunlight. Like that, this time when the solar eclipse or lunar eclipse occurs, the energy will be more to do these kinds of things. Okay, so you have to start in those days. Otherwise, if the solar eclipse or lunar eclipse is long away and you want it immediately, then you have to wait for the new moon day or the full moon day. When the new moon day or the full moon day occurs, and when it is especially on Sunday or Thursday, it will be more beneficial. So that time you have to start, and where you have to chant this spell. This spell has to be chanted in the water, sitting or standing, but the water should be up to your neck. Your full body has to be in the water. That time if you chant, the spell will get energized and you will get more results and powerful results. Otherwise, if you don't have this kind of water plants, like it should be a well, it should be a pond, or it should be a river, or it should be a ocean. These four places are eligible for chanting or energizing these mantras. Then only these will get energized completely. And how many times should we chant? 10,008 times will be more powerful, 1,008 times will be less powerful. Okay? If you are going to chant, you have to pray to Lord Ganesha, and then you have to start. Don't get confused. Ganesha, Mahaganapati, Vinayaka, like this, so many names are there, but all are one. Okay? So here, before starting it, you have to perform a ritual that is called as puja in Sanskrit. The puja has to be done like this. You have to take a coconut, a wet coconut, break it and offer it to Lord Ganesha, and you have to take sandalwood sticks. You have to light the incense sticks. You should have kapur, you should have turmeric and kumkum, and you should offer some flower. If you have Vinayaka's photo, you can get it. If you have an idol, you can keep it in front of you and do this puja, and then you have to start. After that, once you finish 1008 times or 10,008 times, after that also you have to again do the puja and then finish and take the blessings of Lord Ganesha. After this, once it is successful, you have to test whether it is got energized or not. How to test? Yes, there is a way to get the chance. How? Every single time when you energize any mantras, you can test this mantra if it is working or not. How? How means very simple. Write this mantra on a copper sheet for 108 times. Okay? This mantra or the spell which is wrote on the copper sheet, you have to wash that copper sheet with water and then mix it up with wheat flavor and then make small balls and then take it to the river or the well or the pond and put it inside that and see that if the fishes are eating it completely. If it is eaten completely, the fishes, then you have to be very, very happy because this spell has got energized. The mantra got energized. If it has been eaten half, then you have to think that half of the spell is energized and again you have to restart. If not even a single fish is coming, not even a single fish is eating, then definitely it is not been started at all. It is not been energized. Keep this in the mind and then restart. Okay. Once it has got completely energized, now if you sit quietly, it won't work. How? Then how to use it? If you want to attract everyone, you want to attract all, whoever you meet, then you should just chant this mantra early in the morning, before 6, after 4, early in the morning, before the sunrise. It will be the best time. Otherwise, after 6, before 8 will be the second best time. Okay? And if you are going to attract a person, a single person, then you have to chant this mantra or the spell when it is late night light. When that person, the whomever you are going to attract, that person you have to notice what time he or she will sleep. Once they start sleeping, if suppose by 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. they are going to the bed, that time you have to start chanting this spell for 108 times